How to fix IDM extension for Google Chrome not working. So first, all you have to do is simply open your Google Chrome, and from the top right corner tap this extension button, and here manage extension. So once you have opened this page, all you have to do is go to your C drive. Go to your this PC C drive. You will find this folder program file. Tap here, and then we need to find Internet Download Manager installation files. Click here and scroll down. You will find this file which is called idm gcext.crx. So you need to find this particular file. So after you found this file, just minimize your tab. Then all you have to do, just drag this on your extension tab. Okay, so once you have done it, just refresh your Chrome and your problem will be totally fixed. Okay, so this is a simple solution. No need to worry about anything. Just do this and your problem will be fixed. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.